Recap some of the points that we just got done talking about. At mine sites, we have a lot of high voltage situations, which could be 240 or 480 or more, depending on where they're coming from. We also talked about the different components of electricity, whether it's current, voltage, or resistance, and how we can use all this information to stay safer on the job. We talked about how to recognize electrical hazards in the workplace and how we can make sure we find them before somebody gets hurt. We talked about methods for reducing risk, whether it's regular inspection and maintenance, whether it's grounding, making sure that our grounds are properly installed. And when we deal with electricity, we have to make sure we're using lockout tagout. You can't just go into a panel and start messing around with all that current flowing in, or you could end up blowing your arm off or worse. And lastly, we talked about electrical safety devices like an overcurrent protection device, a circuit breaker that's going to trip if you have too much power going through it. And remember, electricity is serious business. Whether it's a shock, an arc flash, or a secondary effect like getting shocked and then falling off a ladder. All of these rules and regulations were created to prevent these situations. So take them to heart and don't get zapped.